Right by the front shoulder. Take your safety off. It's a big cow.
I got her.
Oh. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I had to.
Oh, just wait. She's standing right there.
I think I got her. I want
It
this.
looked like you hit her far back, though.
Maybe.
Looked like you hit her in the guts.
Maybe.
You think so?
I know I hit her.
Okay. Wait, look. I see a spot. I see the spot on her. Where she hit her. You know, it looked like it was back too far, but it might have been. That's why you got to take them right in the front shoulder. They drop right there. I can't go very far. I can hear her walking right down there. Here goes Cody and her grandpa after she just shot her first ever elk. Her first ever anything. She's killed some squirrels, but she's missed a lot of deer in her life. But I think we got this. They're going to check for blood now. All right, they got blood. I'm gonna go down there.
I've never been so happy to see blood in my whole life.
Okay, let's see. Where's the blood? Oh yeah. We're trailing Cody's elk. And here's a big bull.
We got her, Dad.
You got her?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here she lays. We got her in the nick of time, boy. Oh yeah.
It's easier to follow the blood when you get this close.
Right? Oh yeah. She's a big one. Oh yeah. Yeah, you hit her a little far back. Lucky we let her go all night. Lucky we found her before the snow. Here she is. What do you think, Cody?
I think that was worth walking through the woods for.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
She's a big cow.
I was going to say, I don't think that deer hunting will be quite the same after this.
No? Okay.